Welcome to Joy with Jit. This is an art appreciation session, and photography is an art. We appreciate a photo that inspired me, and I'm sure it is going to inspire you as well. So every week we invite one photographer and three amazing photo entry from that photographer. Let's see what is there for us in this week. Photographer of the week, Anvay, a financial analyst by profession. Macro photography his core hobby. He is capturing the wonder of the tiny world since 2006. Visited several jungles for macro photography specifically. Also an active part of a group called Pune Macro Photography. His dedication and eye to details make him capture real wonders that our regular eye can't see. Let's see what is there for us for this week from Anvay. The shortlisted 3 images for the week: Eye of the Killer, captured in Goa, India; Yo-Yo Caterpillar, captured in Maharashtra, India; and Wandering Around, captured in Karnataka, India. The selected photo for the week is Eye of the Killer. This photo inspires me for the emotion that it creates. As the name goes, it induces fear at the first place. And once we observe it more, then we started exploring the beauty of the same killer, detailing of the eye, the arrangement of the scales, the color, everything appears beautiful. In real life, I haven't seen a viper's eye from this close proximity. This photo enabled me to see, and of course, the same eye remind me the eye from the Lord of the Rings.
This photo is close to my heart because I got the rare opportunity to photograph the eye of a Malabar pet viper. And the story behind this photo is in 2017 I had gone with some of my friends to Goa for a special macro expedition trip, and this photo is taken at Madhai Wildlife Sanctuary. So interesting about it is it shares the border with 3 states, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa, and there is this peculiar place in the forest where you get Malabar pet vipers sure shot. And we were taking photographs of a particular morph, which is orange in this case, and the forest and the snake expert who were there with us, they asked us, Anva, do you want to take something different and unique? And I said, why not? And that is where I tried to present something very different, rather than wide angle or maybe the whole snake. Why not just the eye and eye of that particular killer of the snake, and try to connect the audience eye to eye.
Hope you enjoyed today's episode. To see more amazing macro photography from Anvay, you can see his details in the description below. And let us know your emotions from today's photo selection in the comment section. And stay tuned with us for a new episode, new photograph and new photographer in next week. See you then.